This is how Troy M makes beats for Ntate Stunna, Wave Rhyder, and Malome Vector. The first thing to start with is the melody. In the melody, we're gonna lay down Koreana. What we're gonna do next is layer that Koreana with some other Koreanas pinned to the left and the other one in the background. Together they sound like this. After that, I did some other sections of the Koreana but with a lower octave. So after that, I did another Koreana that actually sings the melody and leads those other sounds. After that, I played another instance of the Koreana but for another section of the beat. In this beat, I only used the Koreana for the melody. I didn't use the choirs and other elements. So from this point, I'm done with the melody. So let's go to the drums. So with the drums, I started off with this shaker. Goes like that pretty much the whole song. To make that shaker a little bit thicker, I backed it up with a hi-hat. So after that, I did this kick and it has a little bit of bounce. After that, I did this snare. This is my favorite snare. I use it in almost all of my beats, and if you want it, it's in the description below. After the snare, I went and did the 808. You know, the 808 carries a lot of bounce. The first note and the second notes, I kinda took this from Wave Rhyder's song. The beat was produced by Troy M called Ke Kgahlue, I think. First note is high, then the second note is low. Sounds like this. It's the same key but high note and the low note. So the whole 808 sounds like this. It also has these notes that play at the top there. If you look at them, I play with the penning. They play from left to right to create some more stereo. I put this bass as an intro and add some other sections of the beat. So after that, I'm kinda done with the beat. I had to throw in my tag and also throw in some other effects to make the beat interesting. So here is the final beat with all the effects and drum fills.
Trinity, you are God!
Remember, always keep it simple. Bye.